everyone, my name is Andi Pateña-Matheu. Join me as we learn and unlearn things and make new discoveries. This is AnDiscoveries.
And the comma goes to
AnDiscoveries.
Today's episode is a discovery of the mouth-watering island flavors showcased by Mega World Corporation's properties here in Cebu, Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown and Belmont Hotel Mactan for the Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2024. Join me and enjoy the flavors of the island. Island buffet, sunset cocktails, free-flowing wine, and entertainment. These and more were enjoyed at the feast prepared by the culinary masters of Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown and Belmont Hotel Mactan for the Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2024 last Thursday, June 27, at the Mactan Newtown Beach. From the first bite to the last drop, the festival was nothing short of spectacular as a gastronomic adventure showcasing local flavors of Cebu from the beaches to the highlands was laid out to experience in celebration of the province's rich culinary heritage. The sumptuous spread was prepared by the culinary teams led by Executive Chefs Coke Semblante of Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown and Pao Aviso of Belmont Hotel Mactan, both under Mega World Hotels and Resorts. Their expertise and artistry transformed traditional Cebuano dishes into gourmet delights, making every bite a journey through Cebu's culinary landscape.
We'll be doing a more local dish, but with a touch of Savoy Hotel Mactan culinary touch. So it's a local dish that we modernize or we elevate into this different levels.
For this particular year, we wanted to showcase the beach of Mega World. So the one that we're preparing is more on beach vibe. So if you can see, the one that behind me is my station for Belmont Station. We have the grill, we have lobster, lapu-lapu, because we're in Mactan. We have squid, fresh prawns, and for our main event is the prime ribeye, the roasted ribeye. Basically, since Belmont or me, I would say that that's one of my forte, steaks. I really love steaks. I really love cooking steaks, and I really wanted to share my expertise to our guests.
The evening was a picturesque slice of island life made even more delightful by bites of succulent smoked lechon baka, ribeye steak, Cebuana-style spicy chorizo aglio olio, and grilled lobster among the taste bud favorites. Of course, the tropical drinks served at the bar stall featuring wines, cocktails, and mocktails perfectly complemented these savory dishes. And what's a festival without some entertainment? Beyond the amazing offerings of food and wine, it was the music and live performances that added that extra zest to the island vibe. Local and international guests alike had the best time of their lives in this island experience. The night concluded with a mesmerizing beachside fireworks display that captivated the guests with exclamations of awe.
Let tonight be a celebration for culture, community, and most importantly, the love for good food. And we would like to thank all our in-house guest hotels for both hotels, Savoy Hotel Mactan and Belmont Hotel Mactan, and all our walk-in guests, and all our friends from the media for joining us tonight to savor the authentic flavors of the island and to experience the expertise of our executive chefs. We Filipinos love very much the food, and we love to eat. No? Food brings everyone. Food also unites everyone to celebrate every festivities here in the nation. So that's why we also promote Sampaguita for the Mega World Hotels and Resort. Our national flower. We use it not only for our beverage but also for our food.
The palpable love of Cebuanos for great food and good company was met perfectly by Savoy and Belmont's flavors of the island as the evening ended with bellies full and hearts even fuller, proving once again that Cebu's culinary scene is not just a feast for the stomach, but also for the soul. Indeed, this festival was a true chef's kiss to Cebu's unmatched culinary talents, headed of course by the gastronomic artists of Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown and Belmont Hotel Mactan. Thank you all for watching. This has been Andi for AnDiscoveries.